Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. I hope you all are having a safe, healthy, and most importantly, blessed day. My name is Serge, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about automotive, behind the scenes with other creatives and lifestyle. Today we're working on the automotive side because something happened to the car last night. First thing that you could see, please point it out right in the comments if you could see it. Something's missing. Something is missing from this car right now. As you guys know, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and some of those things on the Atlanta, Georgia roads involve potholes, crazy drivers, cars that just catch on fire, and just miscellaneous things on the road. And those miscellaneous things on the road got to my car. Let me explain. So I was driving back from my friend's birthday dinner, and so it's about 15 minutes from currently where I live, and essentially just cruising back. There was a bit of cars on the road for it being 11 o'clock in the PM, and so I'm heading back on the 75 or 85, heading north on the 400. If you know, you know. And there's a car right here. Imagine this was the highway. These were the two lanes I'm talking about. These two lanes would exit off to the 400. Essentially, there was a car here. I'm about 10 feet away from the car, keeping a good distance, and out of nowhere the car swerves right. Within those 2 seconds, I saw a big object on the road. Look to my left mirror, car to my left. Look on my right mirror, car coming up to my right rear. There was nowhere for me to swerve, and I saw the item, and it was practically a tire that was dismembered out in the middle of the road, and it hit right dab into my front bumper. So as you guys can see right here, usually I have a carbon front bumper cover situation. I wish it was a whole OEM replacement, but they don't do that. And I am missing my carbon front lip. If you guys look at my IG, you can see the difference from what it looks like right now and what it looked like then. Luckily, nothing. Well, actually, there's one more thing. The undercarriage of the car, as you can see, it's hanging right now. Completely was hanging loose. So it's being held on by a thread right now. When that happened, I was solo. It was late at night, pulled off to the shoulder. Luckily, I had a tool in hand, got some pop clips out, kind of dismembered the carbon fiber off my car and also the under tray for the car itself. So we're kind of in this realm where money's just a little tight on these carbon fiber parts. I mean, $500-600 just for the carbon lip, and then $500-600 for this car. The carbon tax is real, as they say. So anyways, we're planning on getting it fixed and or replaced. We're definitely replacing the carbon lip, and then we're trying to fix the carbon bumper cover right there. So that is the situation that I'm going through right now. We did have plans to save up for something bigger for the vehicle, more maintenance, preventatives. We need new brakes. We need an oil cooler. We need is it a need or is it a want? But we do need new brakes. That is factual. And the oil cooler, it's hot here in Atlanta, of course, in the summers, or in any state in the summers. So yeah, those are two needs, very much needed needs. There's some wants at the end of that, but we'll probably not get to it because we're dabbling into another form of motorsport soon. I don't know, we'll see. Me, without this front lip, this car is looking a little funky. To my wife and other people, they're like, what's the difference? But I noticed the difference, and it's the front lip's not there, or the carbon bumper cover. So it just kind of looks a little funky, as the theme is the crystal pearl white with the carbon bits and here and there. So yeah, it's not looking right. We're gonna make it right. We're gonna do the right thing, but it all takes time, as we've been kind of not engaging in the car things, as it's been so hot here in Atlanta within the past couple weeks on top of storms, which it was storming before this video. So the weather is gonna tame itself down. Car season is gonna pick back up. Again, we're gonna, I believe, Clean Culture in Atlanta, by the time this video posts, will be happening the following week. I will not be attending because you will see in the following post why I will not be there. So we're gonna plan on changing this car up in the best way possible. We're gonna try to figure out the whole front lip situation. That is completely gone, but the front cover, bumper cover, that will be fixed. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks, everything could be back to normal. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video, this spiel about what happened to my car, Atlanta things. So just be careful on the highways, on the main roads. Look out for potholes, look out for demolished tires just laying there from truckers or other vehicles. And then just overall, be careful on the roads, whether it's streets or highways. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Serge. Don't forget to subscribe down below. It means a lot, helps a lot, and does all the wonders in the world. I see we have 138 subscribers, and it means a lot. We're trying to get to 1,000. That is just the small goals, the small wins that I appreciate. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing down below, again, that would mean a lot, help a lot, do all the wonders in the world. Don't forget to comment down below and leave the like on this video. Up until the next video, we're gonna be in a completely different new city, and I'll tell you guys about that soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.